Hello guys, and guys, have you ever heard of neural networks? A neural network is a series of algorithms that endeavors to recognize underlying relationships in a set of data through a process that mimics the way the human brain operates. So, I know this is like a lot, so let me tell you that in simple words. Have you heard of voice simulators like Alexa, which turns speech into text and operates? For Alexa, if we mispronounce any words, it can't identify, can it? Of course, it can identify. But how? Because the words Alexa has given, or the word Alexa's creator has given to him, are with exact spellings, right? Then how? It's because the power of neural networks, also known as NNs. You can give examples, like misspellings of words. Example for close, you can give quos, like that. You can mispronounce and give other words, and you can train the machine to like get that it means close. So when you give another word, it might relate to close. So I'll just show you an example right now. So guys, this is an example of neural networks. This is just a basic one. I'm just explaining you the basics of it. This is an example of neural networks. So you can actually read it here. Neural networks NN for text clarification. So here, what we have to do right now is we have to write a code so that the AI simulator, I mean the smart home stuff, I mean like Alexa, could identify which word we're telling, if even if we mispronounce one. So for example, I click on this, and they will ask me how can I help, and I say close the window. You can see on this tab right over here, it will close the window there. So I'll just show you right now.
How can I help?
Close the window. So as you saw right now, the window is been closed. You just saw that right now. I'll play the code again.
How can I help?
Close the window. So you guys just saw the window closed when I said it. If I say, what if I say close the window? For instead of L, I say W, and it'll go like this.
How can I help?
Close the window. It closed the window. Do you know why? Even though I mispronounced the word, it closed the window because I have edited the neural network like that. You go to neural networks. So there are two classes for right now. For example, you can give the model name. I mean, like this is your first one, so you can name it 1, 2, or 3. So I give it first one since this is my first one, and then you have settings for training. So here we go. So if you mean to close the window, you give mispronounced words here, like X, K, I, O, U, like that. You can give mispronounced words related to the subject, like that. In open window, I also give examples like that only. Then you can train the model. Since mine is already trained, I don't have to. But then for your guys' references, I'm just going to train the model. So you click on train model. And if the training is completed successfully, you can test it. Like for example, you give a mispronounced word, like I'm looking for open window. Okay, so we go um, okay. If it does not come open window, I have to give more examples. I hope it comes like open window. Yes, the forecast is open window. The probability is 51.61 percentage, which is too low to be reliable, but of course it's open window because told you guys. Like, look, when I said this word, it showed me it's open window. How? Because I trained the neural network like that. So this is what neural networks are. There are by advanced I mean very advanced versions of this, but then this is the most basic version. Then you code right over here. The code is like the AI simulators code. So the Alexa kind of stuff will ask me, how can I help? And then I say close or open the window, and then it like catches my voice, and then if it hears if I mispronounce or if he mishears my words, then how will he understand? So I edited the neural network right over here, and then I did it. So just like that, you guys can do neural networks, and the website I did this is called MindMakers. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.